Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm come up with the most requested video, how to do makeup on small eyes, especially for the Mongolian eyes or for the Asian eyes. So if you guys want to know how I created this soft smoky eye makeup that makes your eyes look bigger and white, then please keep on watching. So as well as starting with my clean and prime face, I'm going to take this foundation from Maybelline. It's a 24-hour super stay foundation and it's on the shade 130. I really like this foundation. Recently I'm using this foundation a lot because this cover my everything, like my acne scar, discoloration, freckles, everything. So for the concealing and highlighting, I'm going to take this Maybelline Instant Easy Rewind Concealer. It's on the shade Light and focusing on the center of my face and blending with my Wet Beauty Blender. So now I'm going to take this RCMA setting powder with my damp beauty blender and set my concealer. So now I'm going to use this Hoola bronzer from the Benefit, especially on my nose, cheekbone, jawline and a little bit on my forehead just to give some shape to my chubby face. Okay, now applying some blusher from the Benefit. This is my favorite part. Okay, so to get that glowing effect, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter, especially on my cheekbone, nose, little bit on my brow bone and cupid's bow as well. Okay, I already did my eyebrow off camera. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Texture Eyeshadow Palette and taking this floppy brush, I'm going to apply the first color, the transition color. So now I'm going to take this ash color from the same eyeshadow palette and taking with this big pointed floppy brush and applying on my outer corner of my eyes. So for this step, keep your eye open and apply the color so that you can find the guideline where your crease is and darken up later. So I'm going to take this darkest color from the same eyeshadow palette and applying on that crease line and darken up the outer corner. So this smoky effect help your eye look bigger. So now to brighten up our eye makeup, especially our inner corner, I'm going to use this glitter from Cyber Color. This also make our eye makeup look more fresh and white. So here I'm blending two colors together so that it doesn't look harsh and patchy. So now I'm going to take this small floppy brush and applying a little bit of transition color just to intensify that color. Okay, so now I'm going to take this nude eyeliner from Etude House just to make our eyes look more bigger. So now I'm going to take that same black eyeshadow and applying on my lower lash line. Okay, so to get that elongated effect, I'm going to use this Rimmel London waterproof eyeliner. आइलाइनर चाहिँ विङ तानेर लगायो भने चाहिँ अलिक आँखा चाहिँ अलिक लामो देखिन्छ अनि अलिक ठुलो पनि देखिन्छ के है। Okay, so now to make our eye more open and wide, I'm going to take this falsies and apply some mascara as well. So final step, I'm going to highlight my inner corner again. So now you can see the difference. So for my lip, I'm going to moisturize my lip first, and then I'm going to apply my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. It's on the shade Heartbreaker. So this is my final look here. So I hope this video helps some of you guys out there, and I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. So see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.